Okay, so this is the ASMR mode. Hi, so I'm going to review this mic, and if you have looked through my previous video on ASMR mode, I'm actually using this mic, and I bought this mic mainly for the ASMR because I have a lot of mic at home actually, but I just wanted something with able to capture the ASMR mode. Alright, so let me just briefly explain this mic. So this mic brand is called Balsang. It's from Korea. It's literally shipped out from Korea, and it has these two options, like what I say, the normal mic ANC mode as well as ASMR. And on the other side, later on I'll flip over. The other side, you will be able to activate only the front mic or only the back mic. And if you activated everything, it actually has a center mic here, which able to capture the omnidirectional audio. If you wanted, probably in a concert, if you want to capture the whole environment sound, so you can activate both mic. And the good thing is, if you're interviewing, then it's able to capture two persons audio very clearly instead of pointing here and there. So it's good in a way, which I don't use it because I don't do any interviewing. I'm speaking to the left mic, which I've activated. I'm going to turn over to speak to the right mic, which is not activated, and you will see the difference in the audio. Alright, so this is the back mic, which is the right mic, which I've not activated. So you'll probably hear a sudden change of the volume of my voice. You will still be able to capture because this mic is very close to my mouth as well, so it's still be able to capture, but it's in a very soft and low volume. So here it goes. You can actually switch to activate either one of them or both of them, so up to your preferences. Now I'm going to switch on the back mic and switch off the front mic, and you will see and then you will hear the difference. Okay, so I have switched on the back mic and switch off the front mic here, so you should be able to hear me very clearly as compared to just now when the back mic is being switched off, and it's still under ANC mode. So I'm going to turn back and face the front mic, which is deactivated. Then you can actually hear a difference. Alright, so I'm using the front mic right now, which is deactivated in ANC mode. You should hear my voice a little bit softer because I only activated the back but not the front. You might also hear some background noise because the back mic is actually facing out to the environment, so you'll probably be able to hear the birds singing there. Okay, so this is the front mic, which is deactivated and it's under ANC mode. So right now I'm going to activate the ASMR mode, which I'm very interested actually when I get this mic. Okay, so this is the ASMR mode, which I'm actually whispering, and the activated mic is in the back. The front mic is deactivated. So this is how I do my ASMR audio. Sometimes it might pick up the surrounding noise very clearly. So sometimes it's very hard to capture the ASMR mode. So it really all depends, and you probably have to try to get the right voice or right audio. So right now it's in the ASMR mode, which is the back mic is activated. Now I'm going to turn over to face the front mic. Alright, so this is the deactivated ASMR mode. The activated one is the back, so you should be hearing this in a more softer voice, but it's still able to capture because the back mic is still on, and because they're so close to each other, so I have to control my volume to make sure that I only whisper at a very soft voice, so that you'll be able to see the difference between the two. Okay, so I'm going to activate this mic and deactivate the back mic. Okay, so I have activated the front mic and deactivated the back mic. You should be able to hear me very clearly right now. I'm still whispering because I'm using the ASMR mode. So for ASMR mode, you have to place the mic very close to the object in order to pick up the noise very well. But I feel that the ASMR mode, the noise cancelling doesn't really affect much here. So I'm going to switch over to the deactivated mic, which is the back mic, and you should see, you should hear a much different noise. Okay, so this is the one that I've deactivated in ASMR mode. You will not be hearing me very clearly because this mic is deactivated. I only activated the front mic. Now I'm going to try to activate both mic. You should be able to hear me very clearly whether or not I'm using the front or the back. Okay, so I've activated both the front and the back, and right now I'm still using the ASMR mode, so you should be able to hear me very clearly. I'm still whispering and it's a bit tiring to do the ASMR audio. Okay, so this is the ASMR mode activating both the mic. Okay, now I'm going to activate ANC mode. Alright, so this ANC mode is going to capture whether or not I'm facing the back or the front mic, and in actual fact you'll probably be able to hear my surrounding voices as well. Okay, so this is the review of this Balsang mic, and I like it that it actually gives a lot of freebies. For instance, it has this cable that connects to your phone, or it actually gives you another cable which connect to your camera, because the plug is actually very different. Okay, then you also give you this pouch. Okay, and from a lot of YouTube reviewers, they will actually review that they recommended this mic is because it actually gives you a really beginner kit, meaning to say that you don't really have to splurge on additional items just to match with your phone or your camera. It actually gives you a lot of these items which once you get hold of this mic, you can actually use it straight away. And it also gives you a longer cable in term, in case you're doing interviewing or you want to face far away from the camera, you can actually use this extension cord. So I quite enjoy this mic, and I'll probably use this mic more often in terms of ASMR mode instead of the normal mic, because I have other mic as well, so I'll be using other mic. And if you realize, this mic is in white color, which majority of the mic comes in black, and I wanted white because I wanted to match most of my gadgets, which I'm so in love with white right now. Yep, so I'll see you again.